well, this feels a little strange. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kirstin. Welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video and hopefully thank you for staying watching this video. So, I have been gone a while. I actually have no clue how long it's been. Maybe 2017? Oh. What's the matter? What's the matter, Kippy? Mummy's trying to film. Come and say hello to everybody. They'll have missed you. Say hi. Look, the camera doesn't know who to focus on. Focus, camera. There we go. Say hello to everyone. Say hi. You're back again. You need a haircut, don't you? Go lie down then. A lot has changed and I've really missed filming videos and editing them and just having like a good chunk of me time, because YouTube is totally all for me. I do it because it makes me happy and it makes me be creative with like makeup, etc. And yeah, I just really love it. There's been a lot of reasons why I have been away. Number one, if you are a old subscriber, have you been here since the start? Actually, if you have been here since the start and you are watching this video, please let me know right now. Whatever the timestamp is right now, I'll put it on the screen. Comment that in the description box and in the comments, and then I'll know that you're like an OG subscriber. Thank you for being here if you are. Yeah, sorry is the first thing I want to say. Sorry for not being here for forever. And if you were a return subscriber, you will know that my nephew was unwell back in 2018. I think that was the year. That must have been when I last filmed. Yeah, he was not very well and that was a massive reason for me stopping YouTube. I just felt a bit silly, if I'm honest, doing videos when my nephew was so ill. But thankfully he's really healthy now. He was really brave and yeah, he's had, is it maybe 6 months or, let me think, I can't actually remember, between 6 months to a year of clear MRIs. So yeah, that's really positive. Thank God for that. So that was a big massive part of it. Another part was that I had a baby. Yeah, so I got pregnant. Me and Kyle had been trying before Joe fell ill, and obviously after Joe fell ill we stopped trying. We didn't really think that it was the time, given that the whole family was going through such awful heartache. But kind of when we got used to the idea that Joe was ill, because obviously you can't end your life because of it, you know, you have to keep going. We tried again and we got pregnant in September of 2018, or was it August? I can't actually remember. But we got pregnant in 2018 and our little Alfie was born on the 16th of June last year. That's kept me so busy that to be fair, I didn't even have a minute to even think about filming videos, never mind even if I wanted to. So I'm going to insert some pictures and videos right now of Alfie. Paw, paw, good boy. what are you writing, Mr. Teacher? Come in then. Well done! Good boy! Do the circle. That's it. Put the circle one in. Woohoo! You're clever. Kika!
Come with me.
Boo!
Everybody say
Bow to your partner. Here I'm coming. I also did a couple of more training courses for my work. I'm a beauty therapist and nail technician, if you didn't know that. So yeah, I got trained in permanent makeup. So I can now do tattooing on eyebrows, which is super cool. That was a pretty intense training course that I went on, which again takes some of my time. Oh, I also got my eyebrows tattooed as well. Look really nice just now. They do need to top up, but obviously, like everybody, we need haircuts, eyebrow top ups, waxing, nails done. I mean, I could do my own nails and my own waxing, but I'm too lazy. Another reason is YouTube has totally changed since I used to post. There's so much drama and controversy, and it's very bitchy now, I think. It never used to be like that. It used to just be sit down, film a video about makeup that you like or something that you want to talk about, and that would be it. But now I feel like there's so much drama that actually it made me not want to come back onto YouTube. Not that I would be involved in the drama, obviously. But yeah, I just thought, oh, what's the point? You know, it was all for views and for subscribers, and really I just did it for fun. And it was a massive bonus that so many of you subscribed. I think just under 6,000. And it was just so nice to interact with people and comment and stuff. But yeah, I think that kind of changed when I was away. But recently, I have been interested in watching different types of videos. So obviously now that I'm a mum, I like to watch sort of like updates on babies and their routines and tips and tricks and hints that you've found as a mum that works for you and your baby and your family. So I like watching those type of videos. Also, massive one is like cleaning and organisation videos. I love watching other people tidy. I don't know why. I mean, loads of people out there obviously like it because it's so popular on YouTube. So I'm definitely one of those people. Still into makeup and PRIMARK hauls and beauty and stuff like that. So going forward, the channel is going to change slightly. Totally understand if you don't want to be here and subscribed anymore. If you're really into makeup, then that's so fine with me. Thank you for subscribing for all this time, and hopefully you will come back to the channel at some point. But I am going to still be doing beauty videos. There will still be makeup and, you know, little hauls if I do ever buy anything. If I've got a certain palette that you'd like me to review or do a makeup look on, request it and I can still do that. You know, for birthdays and Christmas, if I get beauty bits, I'll still do hauls, etc. And smoky eyes or tips and tricks for hoodie dyes. All that will still be here. And of course, I will still be doing PRIMARK hauls because they are my favourite. I actually have got to film one of those, so that will be coming up on the channel really soon. I went just after lockdown. When it opened back up, I was like, I am going. That's probably all that's going to be the same from previously, but the new things I will be doing are motivation videos where you can watch me tidy up the house, tidy up after Alfie, which is, trust me, it gets super messy. I will be doing baby updates if you would like to see that, or vlogs if you'd like to see more of Alfie and more of her family life. There will be, what else will I be doing? I could do tips and tricks if you want. I mean, Alfie is just over 1 now, so obviously I've had a whole year of being a mum, and I have learned so much along the way, by books, by my health visitor, and by just jumping in and learning for myself. So there's lots of things that I can help you on if you are interested, or if you just like to see the way that we do things and the way our routine works. So there'll be that, organisation, I don't know if I said that. just general lifestyle, chit chat. Oh, and a massive one that me and Kyle are thinking about vlogging together is house renovation. So right now we're still in the same house that we were in last time. I did a big moving vlog thing. I don't know if I did maybe 6 episodes or something. So I'll leave that linked up here or here. I can't remember what side it's on. If you want to go and see that. So we're still in this house, but we were hoping to move next year. Because of COVID, we're not entirely sure how that's going to go now, whether it's going to be next year or maybe the year after. But this was a new build, this house. We're hoping that the next house will be an older property that we could renovate. So new kitchens, there's only going to be one. New bathrooms, just general painting, etc. That's another thing that I love to watch on YouTube and TikTok as well. So yeah, we're thinking about doing that, and we'll obviously be filming that. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned as well. Whew, I feel like I've spoken for a long time. So yeah, that's it. That's basically it. That's my life update. Oh, another thing, I cut my hair a bit shorter. It's maybe, well, it's usually like up to there, but right now it's grown a bit because of the hairdresser's been closed. And is there anything else I've done? I've put on a bit of weight, bit of baby weight, guys. What's happening with that? You can't have a baby and not put on a bit of baby weight. So maybe I'll do some exercising or fitness videos, I'm not sure. Let me know how you are, let me know in the comment section, and let's have a little conversation. If you're new and you've clicked on this video, hello, it's so nice to meet you. Leave me a little comment down below. And yeah, I will see you in a next video, which will probably be on Sunday. Whatever week you're watching this, there will be an upload on Sunday. Oh, one more thing is, please tell me what day during the week you would like me to upload other than Sunday, because there will always be a video on Sunday, but I need another day through the week to upload because I'm going to do 2 a week. So let me know what would be best for you and what sort of time, etc. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, for listening to me ramble, and I will see you in another video. Bye!